Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to show you all what's in my bakery business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point, we're then going to go ahead and dive into my bakery business plan template, specifically the Word document, and I'll show y'all what's included, the style of writing, and give you some tips and tricks on which information needs to be adjusted and updated with your personal information. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, and owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional business plan writer. I'm also a professional strategic plan writer. I'm a mentor. I help people write their own business plans. I give people some tips for helping them what to use in my templates. I am also a financial projection consultant. So I wear many hats, and I've got a lot of real-world experience as well as academic. And also, I am a published author. I have numerous books published on Amazon, as well as about 6,600 followers on YouTube. So if y'all do need a mentor or a business plan writer or a strategic plan writer, please feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help you with your business plan, whether it be from mentoring, writing the business plan custom, or any other way, shape, or form. And then finally, I am also an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So I do, like I said, have some academics backing up my thoughts and ideas about my business plan template. All right, so with that said, let me go ahead and introduce the star of the show, which is my bakery business plan template. So in this template, when you do purchase it, and I can give you the link to purchase it at the end of the video, once you open up the Word document, it's going to look like this, and it does also come with a Excel financial model that's customized for the bakery industry, and the Excel financial model looks like this. Say hello, model. All right, so once you get to this model right here, usually my clients are going to go ahead and put their company name up top and then put their logo underneath. The next page is going to be the table of contents. Once you add a little bit more meat to the bone, you go ahead and fill out the business plan with your own information. Inevitably, you're going to be adding some pages. So what you're going to want to do is you want to come over here to the table of contents, click on it, click on Update to Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK, and then all the headers and all the page numbers will update automatically for you. The next page is going to be your executive summary. Anywhere you see yellow, you're going to go ahead and update your information, whether it be for the bakery summary, the target market, financial highlights, and the funding request. For the financial highlights, you do need to go ahead and fill out the financial model. It's pretty basic, and I also do provide y'all with a tutorial on how to use this for the baking industry. But once you go ahead and fill this information out using that tutorial, you're going to go to projections, and then you're going to be looking for these three numbers right here under year one. And what you'll see right here is these numbers are aligned. So for the next year, revenue is 456,000, 456,000, 323,000 to 323, and then 100,000 to 100,000. So once you go ahead and update the model with your information, go to the projections tab. Go to the top, and just the first three numbers that you're going to want to update into the financial highlights. Funding request is how much money you're going to need to get the party started, and then fill out the information accordingly. The next page is going to be the company description. Here's where you're going to describe the bakery, popular bakery items, competitive advantages. Feel free to update that with your information. Then we got the primary target market, strategic pricing, hours of operation, location, and I do put a snippet of a strategic plan. So your business plan is going to describe your business, whereas your strategic plan is your roadmap to success. It's going to take you from where you are now to where you want to be, and this is going to give the reader just a taste of where your objectives are and where you want to be in the next 12 months. Next section is the industry analysis for the bakery industry. I was able to do the research for bakery cafes. This information was summarized from IBIS World, an industry leader in research. Here are some of the revenues and costs and profits and so on. Next is your SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. If you do want to update this information, this is pretty general. You can go ahead and click on this smart art right here. And then you got a little tiny arrow right here. You would click that. And then your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, you'll have another area that pops out, and you can go ahead and fill out information and change it as needed. Next section is going to be the organizational structure. Legal structure right here, company name, address, what type of companies, legal structure, whether it be limited liability, corporation, and so on. And then your business owners. And then I include some job responsibilities: CEO, head baker, assistant baker, cashier. If these are aligned with your business, keep them. If not, you can always delete them and update it with your own information. Next section is going to be the organizational chart. This should reflect your job responsibilities, and it's just a visual representation of that. The next section is the marketing section. Traditionally, bakers or bakery companies are going to use traditional internet and social media marketing, and so that's the starting points I've provided you for each. Next section is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? The terms expected, interest rates expected, and if you're going with an investor, how are you going to structure the profit splitting, and so on. You can go ahead and fill that information right there. Next section is going to be your profit and loss statements for the next 12 months, and you do need to fill out or update the financial model before you go ahead and include that information. But for the profit and loss, it goes from month 1 to 3, quarter 1. 4 to 6, quarter 2, month 7 to 9, quarter 3, and then we got month 10 to 12, quarter 4, and then finally we have our pro forma income statement, financial projections for the next 5 years included. Now, once you go ahead and update the financial model, then you'll go ahead and you'll go to either the profit and loss tab or the income statement tab, and once you update the information, you're going to want to copy and paste the financial projections, the updated financial projections, into the Word document. So the way you do it is you go to Information tab, you put in your information, then you go to the Income Statement tab, you'll go ahead and copy it, Control C. You'll come over here to the Pro Forma Income Statement, get rid of the old one, and hit Control V, and now the new profit and loss statement is updated for you. All right, so hopefully that information was helpful. And so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, the bakery business plan template comes with the customizable Word document, which I just showed you. It also comes with a basic financial model, which I briefly introduced, but I do go in depth in a different tutorial showing you all how to update it and use it. There are some restrictions with this template. First, it's not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. You do need Microsoft Office, specifically Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel, in order to make the changes. There is no free phone support, but if you have questions before you buy the bakery business plan template, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a conversation as to what you can expect in the bakery business plan template. However, after you make the purchase, I do offer mentoring. There are charges for my mentoring services, and I can walk you through on how to use the business plan template and explain to you what information goes where. I do charge it on an hourly basis. Also, I do provide services where I'll complete that business plan template for you. And if you're interested in the mentoring or interested in me completing the template for you, feel free to reach out. Here's my contact information right here. And then if you are interested in buying the bakery business plan template, this is the link. Just click on the link, look at the information. If you like it, there's a buy now button there. Also, I do offer business plan tutorials. So if you want to take a look at these tutorials, they're free. You can go ahead and look at them now. Just follow this link here. And then finally, if you want me to write the business plan for you, whether it be a custom business plan for your bakery, if you need a mentoring services or a strategic plan, I offer all those services. Check out my prices page right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.